Menteri Rembak Jala Meghalaya Konrad K Sang Mahabakran hagani ke jokasngi ulang bakani ke jingialang batumuban pen ki blat baiting ka hakalang ki benta ulang babaro arki sarkar jala baka sarkar India kirang thau ki policy bakershan barki jingtai bakan jamar yang ban penshloi ki riew shimet ban baiting ka khambun hagatan shatei lammihngi.
We are creating the different policies, and government of India is coming in and also giving the full support that is required. The state governments are creating their own policies and ensuring that they take advantage and allow more investment to take place. We need the private sector to come in now and now partner with us, and therefore the areas which will be affected, or I should say which are the opportunities where it will come up, are numerous, from tourism to agriculture to food processing, and even the normal infrastructural developments that are taking place, the power sector that is there, the IT sector that is there. In all of these areas, opportunities are going to be discussed, and huge opportunities are going to be there. And that's the reason why we want people to come in and participate in this particular summit. Sure. You can just give it to me in writing. Wherever problems you faced, I'll be more than happy to rectify that problem if there is. Yeah, but we have more than about 2,000, 3,000 people who have already registered with us, and they're already getting the help and support. Their many projects have already been cleared. So this has already been done. Maybe there's a specific issue that you are facing. I'll be happy to help personally on that. Please give it to me in writing, and I will take care of it.